Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh cherry blossom. Welcome to this Python tutorial. Today, we will build a program that calculates a person's age in years, months, and even days. We'll use Python's built-in libraries like time and calendar to help us. Let's go step by step. First, we import the necessary libraries. The time module allows us to work with the current date and time, and the calendar module gives us a function called ileap that checks whether a year is a leap year. As a Muslim, I choose not to use background music in this tutorial. Instead, I've added gentle nature sounds, like flowing water and soft wind, to create a calm and pleasant atmosphere while keeping the focus on the content. Next, we create a function that checks if a given year is a leap year. If it is, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. After that, we write another function that tells us how many days are in a month. Some months have 31 days, some have 30, and February can have either 28 or 29 days depending on whether it's a leap year. Now, we ask the user to enter their name and their age. We also use the time module to get the current date and time from the computer. Once we have the age, we calculate the total number of months, and we prepare to calculate the number of days. We also figure out the starting year and the ending year based on the person's age. Then, we go through each year in that range and count how many days are in those years. If the year is a leap year, we add 366 days, otherwise we add 365 days. Next, we add the days of the current year by checking each month that has already passed, and finally we include the current day of the month. This way, we get the exact number of days the person has lived. At the end, we print the result. The program shows the person's age in years, in months, and in days. And that's it. Party Popper, we successfully built a Python program that calculates age in years, months, and days using the time and calendar modules. Jazakallahu khairan for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python lessons. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You can download the full source code from the GitHub link in the description below.